Hi, honey.
Hey, babe. Where are we going on our fall vacation?
We're going to Hollywood, Conan, Beverly Hills, Laguna Beach, Sequoia National Park, Kings Canyon, Knott's Scary Farm, and Hollywood Horror Nights. Here we are. We made it to LA. There's Amanda and Ricky and Karen pulling up the rear. Guess whose big fat head that is? Conan! 1 minute we're looking online for tickets. Next minute we're on TV.
Oh my God, in the front row, and they gave us t-shirts and Twizzlers. Twizzlers, my favorite.
You can do it too. Just check it out online. You'll find a way. You'll find a way because it's
free.
Conan!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
On our left, a statue of the Beverly Hills answer to global warming and a statue dedicated to botched.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around the nighttime moments. We were in too deep. In your sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback. And we were in too deep.
Go right on in. Our doctor is waiting for you. It's not safe here. Get out while you can. Go.
No, arrivals! I see them through window one! They're in the oxygen! Houston, we're a no-go from us! We're a no-go from us! We got lost in Are you all from the area?
We are. These guys are visiting from Virginia. Oh, great. Yeah. Welcome.
Things to see at Griffith Park. Science stuff. Hollywood sign. Planetarium. Theater. eats. Secret abandoned zoo. Random actors walking their dog.
Donkey. It moves logs.
We're in Gold Rush country. Wee-hoo! We already struck it rich. Brochures.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
Hiking up to the cave.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
I found a rock.
Our tour guide teaches me rocks are old and brochures have the same monetary value as a pine cone.
We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying.
A lot of traffic in this tree today.
Karen decides we should move into a tree.
Have we ever had anyone live in the trees? Yeah, I guess Tharp lived in Tharp's log. So it wasn't a big standing sequoia, but a down sequoia tree hollowed it out, lived inside of it for years, while he would bring his cattle up here to graze in Crescent and Log Meadows.
I'm not the only one who thinks that would be a good idea.
Conan the Bear. Nom, nom, nom. Wow. Pretty cool. Oh no.
Back to your old life, not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your feet.
at 6 a.m. has advantages.
Rangers say that bear sightings are rare.
Uh-oh. Here's Papa over here. Big ass bear. Where? Zoom in. He's right behind that tree. There he is.
Conan!
He's too close, and we now need to... Yes, he is. Now he's coming up here. I'm rolling the window up, and we are leaving. Because that was...
We'll have 2 double-doubles, a fry, and 2 shakes.
In-N-Out burger.
Later found out Conan was not hungry. He was just being friends.
WeTript!
It's gonna leave him more.